Kumusta naman itong catering nila? Wapo sa ito. Mahalap, isagot sa akong paimong sa robot doon. Wapo dyan ko. Kani, imuhang judge. Mauni siya ang pinaka-judgmental sa tanan. Your judge for this evening is Miss Chris Tiffany Hansen. Ay, tingog ka na rin, judgmental kayo.
Ate ng bayan, magpunta siya.
Ate, Charlie, ate.
Pwede ko mapi. Lepar ako sa inyong chika na. Balik na lang ko. Hi Natasha, first of all, congratulations for making it to the top 5. You're doing a great job. I've seen you on a different stage and you're doing a good job. Okay, so ready ka sa question?
Yes, I am ready. Well, this is my one last shot, so I will do my best and God will do the rest.
Alright. So my question is, the city is named after a hero who defended his people. How can we use the same spirit to help women in our city break down barriers? Again, the city is named after a hero who defended his people. How can we use the same spirit to help women in our city break down barriers?
Our city is named after the first Philippine hero in the Philippines, and that is Datu Lapu-Lapu, which we all know are familiar about. He fought for our